morning. Hello guys, today's video will be all about coffee.
We will take you to all of our favorite coffee places where we drink coffee. And are we gonna rank them?
No, we love all of these places.
So we are just making an informative video so that you know where to go drink coffee if you ever come to Skopje, Macedonia.
Let's go.
So, we're in one of our favorite cafes. It's called Peloton, like the thing from bicycling. It's a relatively new place. It was opened this year. I don't remember what month, but it was. We were wearing coats, big coats, and it's got very high quality coffee, very high quality standards, and I don't know.
You're a little bit a snob about coffee, right?
A little bit. No,
Because
I like.
You don't
yeah.
like specialty coffee shops, right?
I prefer to think of myself as a coffee appreciator, someone who has a refined taste, not so much a snob. But I can appreciate like a regular cup of joe as well. Your coffee, what is it called?
Latte macchiato piccolo.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this mint water? Tell us about that.
Yeah, this is the tap water with mint and lemon.
Your coffee.
Now we are in Trn Vo Oko with the owner of the place, Magdalena. Hello Magdalena and welcome to our vlog. In your place the people can order, beside the regular coffee, espresso, macchiato, Nescafe, etc. Can order Turkish coffee, right?
Yes.
And why you decide to include the Turkish coffee in your menu?
Well, I wanted to be something more specific because I know that a lot of the shops here in Skopje, they don't serve Turkish coffee, but something that it's part of the idea about this place is that I want to put something from the past, from my life and from the people that I know, like my grandmother, my neighbors, because back in the day when somebody will invite you in their home, they will always give you Turkish coffee with a touch of sweets on the side and glass of water for a welcome, and that was like, I don't know, some good memory that I want to incorporate into today's life and work and this place. I want people that are coming here to feel welcome and to feel like they're home.
And this is our favorite, one of our favorite place. And if you like to try traditional Turkish Macedonian coffee, you need to come here in Trn Vo Oko.
Okay, so now we're at Caffeine, and this is a place which is a little bit outside of the center of town. It's a little bit to the west of the town center in a place called Leptokaria. It's a trade center. It's sort of a mixed-use complex. People live and work here. There's lots of shops. There's lots of cafes and restaurants. And Caffeine, it's also open on a Sunday. Not a lot of places are open on a Sunday here in Macedonia. And they've got quality coffee. They get Hausbrand from Trieste, who are not sponsors of this channel. But I remember because my grandmother, she used to buy this coffee too. So I remember this little guy drinking coffee here. It's one of my fondest childhood memories. And it's good coffee. They also got coffee to go, and it's a fun place to be. Opened in 2015, I believe, and been going strong for more than 10 years. So this here is Bristot, and it's one of our favorite places to get coffee. It's a friendly neighborhood sort of place. We usually get coffee to go here and then go for a walk. But also you can get your ground coffee here for home, and that's where we get our Turkish coffee, because here in Macedonia we drink a lot of Turkish coffee at home, and Bristot has very high quality Turkish coffee, which you can also buy if you come to Macedonia.
Morning. We are in Blueberry and Basil, and this is our first coffee today. I craved for this coffee. Wow. Great. And what do you have here? Some cookie?
This is called bruki.
What is bruki?
Bruki is, so here you take, bruki is a combination of brownie and cookie. A bruki, which is very funny to us because bruki in Macedonian means shames.
Bruka.
Bruka is shame, but a very public shame, and bruki is the plural. But the chef is Italian, so he doesn't know that. He calls this bruki.
He didn't understand what is
He
bruki.
didn't understand.
Okay.
Alright, so this is L'Angolo di Caffè, where we often come to have coffee. Yeah, excellent selection of coffees. Yeah, they have sweets too. You can pick your own blend. They have blends named after the Renaissance greats of Italy. Personally, I like the Michelangelo. It's very mild. Although back when I was working in an office, I preferred the Leonardo, which is... And they also have sweets. And recently they've started making Italian deli-style sandwiches. But we're going to talk about that in the breakfast video, not today. So, L'Angolo di Caffè, one of my favorite coffee places.